Are you ready for a quick de-stressing? I'm ZGALA. You can call me Auntie Angel, and that's what I'm here to do. Let's bounce the shoulders up and down, bounce them back and forth, do some shoulder shrugs with deep breaths. Ready? Breathing in, holding and tensing up, breathing in a little more, and then just let it go. Let the arms swing. Let's do a couple more. Breathing in, tensing up, breathing in a little more, and then and one more time. Breathing in, tensing up. You can add the fingers and the toes, pull up the pelvic floor, hold, breathe in a little more, and then just like that. Hope you remember and to love yourself because you're worth it. Like and subscribe because I'm worth it, and I'll see you soon.